Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to work on my fashion portfolio, which is inspired by a repeated pattern in natures. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So these are some of the pictures that after some researching, I decided to use shells and fossils on my project. So now I'm just cutting them out, and then I will stick them on the silhouette and make something. I'll bring all my ideas together, and I'll see what I find at the end. So the project is about making a white shirt. So each students need to make a white shirt inspired by an idea. So I'm hoping to get to something nice, and yeah, I'll try to make a video from the end of this project and share it with you. I hope you like it as well. Now I'm only using glue stick to stick these shells and fossils around the body, and that's only to get some idea about the final garment. So now the first part is finished, and I'm just using a pencil to give it some more details, and just to make it more realistic and know where exactly everything's going, including the sleeves, the cuff, or maybe color. So yeah, this is the end of the video, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and if you have any suggestion for the next video, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and bye.